Roberto Araya is a full professor at the Institute of Education, University of Chile. He has a PhD in electrical engineering from the University of California at Los Angeles, USA. He obtained the Best Paper Award of the 10th International Conference in Methodologies and Intelligent Systems for Technologies Enhanced Learnings, Miss Fortel 2020, Italy. Best Paper Awards of the 10th International Conference on Web-Based Learnings, ICWL 2011, Hong Kong. Best Porter Awards of 12th European Conference on Technologies Enhanced Learnings, ETSTEL 2011, Estonia. He was also a nominee for the Best Paper Awards of the Artificial Intelligence in Education Conference AIED 2022 at Durham, UK. He has led projects funded by the International Development Research Centre or IDRC Canada, the Finnish Academy of Science together with ANID Chile, the Inter-American Development Bank, and the Education Endowment Foundations. He is co-author of the EPIC report Developing Computational Thinking on AI and Big Data Era for Digital Society and the SEMIO STEM-ED Guidebook for the Unpacked Computational Thinking.